everyone, welcome back to the Midnight Maker. I appreciate you visiting my channel. If you could like, comment, subscribe, I would love it so much. So today I am doing an unboxing for a new Keurig that I got. If you're interested, please keep watching. So this is the K Mini Plus. It says it fits anywhere. You can control the strength of the brew and many other options. So I'm gonna go ahead and open here in a second. This is a new color that it comes in. It's like almost like a mint green. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what came inside. So here is the mini Keurig out of the box. I love this color. It's really cute. So this is what it looks like all around. It's nice and small, so it's also portable. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling some of this tape off so I can open everything up. Okay, so here's the back area where you put the water in. I like how easy it comes off, so it'll be really easy to clean. I believe it said it was hand wash only, by the way. There's the buttons on top. There's where you put in your K-cups. Everything opens really easily. Get the rest of this tape off. Okay, so you can pull this compartment out, and that's where you can put your cup underneath, and here's the little drain that goes underneath your cup. That can easily come off to be cleaned as well. And in here is like an extra storage area if you want to put your K-cups in there. It's nice, especially if you want to take it somewhere. You can just put it all together, put your K-cups in there, and take your little mini Keurig with you. Here's a little pamphlet that comes with it. It doesn't come with any K-cups or anything like that. I was kind of hoping it would come with a few, but there are some coupons in there. Go ahead and just pop it back in. Everything just works so easily. It seems very convenient. So this is everything that came with my mini Keurig. I'm going to try it out for a little while, and then I will do a review for you guys because I've not used this and I haven't used a Keurig in several years. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.